Ready? 1, 2, sprinkle party!
I'm so excited.
Today we're making an explosion cake. So right now we're cutting all the centers out. So
This is where you put the candy.
Yeah, you know how to do it. And we want to try and get it really nice so these can line up once we start stacking them. Okay, so now that we've cut out all the holes, we can start with our stacking. We'll just do a small ring so the cake won't dance around. I feel like we're playing Jenga, because it's like you go, then I go.
No, we don't want it to topple over.
So now that we have this part done, we have to get the sprinkles.
Okay, so these are the
Here we
American
have-
sprinkles.
Yeah, so we use a lot of different sprinkles at flower
I
shops.
didn't even
So we
realize
have-
there were different ones.
Yeah, so the European ones, when you go to break them, they sort of snap in half. And these ones tend to have more of a gel base.
That's why they're so good.
Yes, these are delicious. Okay, so now we're gonna pour some of this in, and then it goes, ta-da! Your turn. It's so fun. It's like a cake cave of
No, I
candy.
love it.
Okay, dancing sprinkle time. Just pour from bottom up. Oh, they're definitely dancing. That's a little wild with the dancing sprinkles.
God, now my side's not as gonna be as.
No, you're good, you're good. Go. I like to go bottom up so that you're sort of, sorry, are you?
Why can't I do this?
It's easier, I think it's easier because I'm like around it.
Yeah,
go
I'm
around
funny.
me. Ta-da!
Okay, I did it.
And now it's time for the big reveal. You ready? Let's cut the cake. Okay, so I like to start with one really big slice so you get the big reveal. Sprinkle party!
I think I like American sprinkles the best.
Verdict. You heard it here first.
Maybe I'm
Sprinkles and
American, I love American
smiles.
sprinkles. No, but it makes sense.
And I'll make all your dreams come true.
Thank you. With American sprinkles, please.
Tons of American sprinkles.